Hi guys, I am Ashker and to my channel SF Tech. Hot and specification as confirmed by the 10 now. So here are the detailed specs about the Honor 10. Hot 10 is appeared in the 4 different combinations under the following models numbers: Call Hell 10, Call TL10, Call Hell 00 and Call TL00. The SoC processor is built by the Huawei Honor high silicon Kirin 917 and come with an octa-core 2.3 GHz CPU with Mali G72MP12 GPU. It came with a 4 or 6 GB of RAM with 64 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The front panel is mostly like come with a notes for the camera and earpiece, just like in what Huawei did on the P20 series. The display screen will be 5.8-inch diagonal and should be an LCD with 9:9 aspect ratio. Honor 10 is aligned with a dual camera setup with 16 plus 24 megapixel camera with semantic image segmentation mode. This means the new phone should be able to have a multi-screen detection within a single photo, which will be enabled by the hail capabilities of the Kirin 917. And the front camera is to be 8 megapixel with selfie. Honor 10 follows the trend. It will be run on the EMUI 8.1 on the top of 8.1 Oreo. It will be have a 3320 mAh battery, most likely coupled with Huawei's in-house fast charging. Honor 10 will be announced on the April 19 in China. Thank you for watching this video. Keep going, subscribing, like my video. If you have any question regarding this video, comment me below.
You sound